Rubik's Cubes. One of far most interesting of my toys right now. Most everything seem to be like solving the Rubik's Cube. I guess I have one last part to solve, the yellow part, and the drought here is not becoming interesting. Couple that with my need to have content for you. I'm going to share today a series of videos I've been trying to put out, and yet something or another makes it not get through, like what we have here. In the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, religion is to do right, it is to love, it is to serve, it is to think, it is to be humble. Now, that is Shaganisho Sunday. Sending peace and light and love.
Goodbye. 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 See you. See you.
Then you stop. Don't go like, I mean, get different shots. Now when it comes, a lot of the candle in the middle. Don't move the stop. Okay, now pan with it. If you move, you shake it. If you twist, down. Actually. Nani ngawa ndio na wala gudi. Na mala mimi remote yengerenge. It's really bad. No. Really, it's really so bad. And it's not even the drought. And whatever you may think the cow is eating, it's on the back of this acacia tree. You see, you can get into adversities, yet there's no adversity that you can't outgrow. These too shall pass. If you look closely, there's a dried outer bark that's about 2 years old out of fire exposure. This tree was all caught up in a big kind of flame, yet I'm so glad that it's regenerating and it's not dead. So there's still hope after the drought.